closer. Hello and welcome to Mark's cookery class. Today we're going to be doing omelettes. Omelettes, yeah. 2 eggs. 2-egg omelette. Who can do the best omelette? Me or Tim?
You, mate. You, I'm shit at omelettes.
Here we go. You're making yours, I'm not making yours.
Oh, God.
Get it in. Give it a whirl. This is what you do. Oh my God. Just forget that happened.
Starts cooking a brocket already.
There we go. Give that a minute. Give it a minute. Look at that, you even get shell. Free shell. Free shell in Mark's cookery class. Perfect omelette. I need my bread, don't I? Bread. Get me bread. Oh yeah. Right, should be enough. The timer has gone. So what you do is you get your omelette like this. You fold it over like that, look. And then you give it another 20 seconds, 30 seconds. There we go. One omelette. Yes. Yes. Get it on. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's how you do it, Captain. Get your butter in. Give it a whirl. There you go. Eggs, eggs, eggs. 1 egg. 2 eggs.
Get a whirl.
Give it a whirl. You got to break the eggs up for your perfect omelette. There we go. Let it set, let it set. Get it all nice and round. There we go. Here's one I prepared earlier.
Okay, now.
Give it a minute. A little bit longer. Tiny bit longer. That's it. It's ready. Then you just get it like this. Then you've got to fold it in half, Jamie Oliver style. There we go. Give that another minute. This one's mine.
Oh, you can have that one.
I like it runny. You can have that one.
Cheers, thanks.
You can have that one that's going cold.
Yeah, it's alright. I'm going to start your video in a minute, you tosser. And he's off.
And there we are.
He's off.
Get it on.
Cookery class 101.
Turn the hob off.
And stuff your face.
Mm.
Yeah.